at the kitchen. Jody is cooking. She is cooking up a star. Tell me like what she a want. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see in the title, today I've got another delicious recipe for you all. I'm gonna make some creamy chicken thigh and I'm gonna use chicken fillet. You can also use chicken breast, it doesn't really matter. So my chicken is already washed and clean in some lemon juice, and guys, this is 600 grams. Okay, so I'm gonna start off with my seasoning now. So here I have 1 teaspoon of my Cajun seasoning, 1 teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning, 1 teaspoon of my Old Bay seasoning, 1 teaspoon of my garlic powder, and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. I also have half onion and 3 to 4 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of my complete seasoning, and some Parmesan cheese, a must. Guys, I love Parmesan cheese and I know it's gonna be so delicious with this recipe. So this is at least over 2 tablespoons. Okay, I also have some heavy cream and this is at least 2 cups. Okay guys, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share, please share this video out to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Stay tuned. Thank you all so much. So guys, now I'm gonna season my chicken thigh and I'm gonna start off by adding at least 2 teaspoons of my olive oil. Then I'm just gonna blend my seasoning together like so. You can just pour it in one bowl. I'm not gonna use all my seasoning on my chicken thigh. I'm gonna leave back some for my white creamy sauce. Yeah, just gonna add it now. Yeah, that's it. Then I'm just gonna use my wooden spoon and just mix it all in. Make sure that everything is all combined. Okay, so guys, it is nicely seasoned and you can leave it to marinate, guys, for at least 15 minutes. Okay, yes. So now guys, I'm gonna sear my chicken thigh. So in my pot I add at least 2 tablespoons of my peanut oil. You can also use olive oil, vegetable oil, anything you have. My olive oil finished, so that's the reason why I use peanut oil instead. Yes. So now I'm just gonna add it. Okay, I'm not gonna add everything all at once, and I'm just gonna allow it to brown, guys, for at least 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Okay.
She a gwan. Me say you want to taste it. You have to taste it. And when you taste it, you can't erase it. Hey, Jody cooking, delicious cooking. Hey, Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Subscribe for more.
So now guys, I'm gonna flip it over. Nice and brown.
Delicious cooking. Jody cooking, straight from the kitchen. Jody cooking, delicious cooking.
So now guys, my chicken has browned. So guys, now I'm gonna make my creamy white sauce. So in my pot I add some oil. You can use any oil, as I said, okay? So my stove is on a low heat. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna add my onion and my garlic, okay? You're just gonna leave it to saute, guys, for at least 30 seconds, okay? Make sure it doesn't burn. So it is around 30 seconds. So now guys, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my heavy cream. Gonna add just a pinch of salt. That's it. Make sure that you taste to your liking. Then I'm gonna add all my remaining seasoning that leave back. Give it a good stir. So guys, this is totally optional, but I'm just gonna add just a small amount of my wet jerk marinade. You don't need a lot because you don't want it to be, you know, very spicy, but just I gotta add just a small amount just to add more flavor, okay? And as I said, you can always taste it to your liking, okay? I'm gonna now add my Parmesan cheese. Some parsley, which is optional. So guys, I'm just gonna allow it to come to a boil for at least 1 minute, okay? I'm gonna cover my pot. So guys, it has come to a boil. And I'm just removing the lid. Give it a stir. I'm gonna add some of my cracked black pepper. Just a small amount. And some more of my Parmesan cheese. This thing right here is gonna be so delicious. See, the sauce is getting nice and thick. So now guys, I'm gonna add my chicken thigh, just like so.
Straight from the kitchen.
This is gonna be so good, guys. I love creamy white sauce. So guys, I'm just gonna add some of my fresh thyme, and I'm also gonna add some parsley, some of my fresh parsley, you know, just to give it a nice color. This look amazing, super delicious. This recipe right here, guys, it is a winner. I know you all are gonna enjoy it. What you can do, guys, you can just pour a little bit of the sauce on top of the chicken, you know. Yeah, so yummy. I'm just gonna cover my pot and leave it for at least 15 minutes and it is ready, good to go, okay? So guys, it is all finished. So now I'm gonna remove my lid. Oh my gosh, it looks super delicious, so yummy. The sauce is all nice and thick. Guys, this is perfect. So yummy. I cannot wait for you all to try this recipe. You all are gonna enjoy it. And guys, what you can do, you can also add some pasta with it. You can eat it with mashed potato, with rice, with anything you prefer. This is so yummy. Super delicious. So good. Let us zoom it in. So good. The sauce is all nice and thick. Guys, this is perfect. So yummy. I cannot wait for you all to try this recipe. You all are gonna enjoy it. And guys, what you can do, you can also add some pasta with it. You can eat it with mashed potato, with rice, with anything you prefer. This is so yummy. Super delicious. So good. Let us zoom it in. So good. So guys, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, share this video to your families, to your friends, and everyone on your social media. I will really appreciate it. Guys, trust me, I work very hard just to get these videos out for you all. So please continue to support my YouTube channel by commenting, by liking, and by sharing. Honestly, I do appreciate it. And if you try this recipe, comment below and tell me what it's like. Okay, don't forget, it is absolutely delicious. Yes, you can serve it with whatever you preferred. I serve mine with some pasta. Yes, I boil the pasta and I just add it in the sauce and stir it. Guys, I'm telling you, it was super delicious. Look at it. It's so yummy. Guys, thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.